Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho Assist. To begin, log into your Zoho Assist account and click Start Now to initiate a new remote support session. You'll then receive a unique session ID or a direct link. Share this with your client, who can join by entering the ID on the Zoho Assist website or clicking the link. This process takes just a few moments, establishing a secure connection for you to start helping them right away. Once connected, Zoho Assist offers several powerful tools. You can take full control of the remote desktop, using your mouse and keyboard as if you were right there. Need to send a document or receive a log file? File transfer is seamless. Plus, the built-in chat allows for instant communication, ensuring clear instructions. You can even reboot the remote computer and automatically reconnect to continue your support. Zoho Assist also provides advanced features for more comprehensive support. You can configure unattended access, allowing you to connect to a client's computer even when they are not present, which is great for scheduled maintenance. Session recording is available for auditing or training. Security is paramount, with features like two-factor authentication and AES 256-bit encryption protecting every session. Diagnostic tools help gather crucial system information efficiently. Concluding a session is straightforward. Simply click the End Session button. After the session, you can review its details and generate reports, which are useful for tracking support metrics and agent performance. Zoho Assist significantly boosts efficiency by enabling quick problem resolution from anywhere. It helps reduce operational costs while providing a secure and reliable platform for delivering top-notch remote assistance to your clients, ensuring satisfaction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.